Hi, we're here with our 2020 Hyundai Ioniq Electric, and the car has just finished charging, and I want to take the charging plug out so I can drive off, but it's actually locked to the car. How do I unlock it? I can't pull any harder. If I do, it'll break the device. The trick is pretty simple actually. What you need to do is just get your set of keys or use the unlocking button here. I'll use the set of keys to show you. So you just click on the unlock button, and that will unlock all the doors as well as the charging. There we go, and just a little yank and out it comes. You could have also used the button there on the door handle to unlock the doors, but there you go. So there you have it. That's how you unplug the charging cable that's been locked to the car on the Hyundai Ioniq Electric, which ran from 2017 to about 2022. Let me know if this video worked for you in the comments section below. And if you have a new Ioniq motor, say like the 5, 6 or 9, and this also worked for you, let us know in the comments section below. I would love to hear from you. Also, if you have any questions, don't forget to leave them below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.